आकाश कुंभार यूट्यूब चैनल को आपण मानक स्वागत। आसंतु आज वीडियो रे आम आज नुआ किछि देखिबा शिखिबा और जानिबा।
पिला माने आज आम केंद्र सरकार मंत्रिमंडल विषय रे जानिबा। लिस्ट ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर विथ अपडेट पोर्टफोलियो एच ऑन 14 जून 2019। Sri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister and also in charge of Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space and all important policy issues and all other portfolio not allocated to any minister. Cabinet Minister Sri Rajnath Singh, Minister of Defence, Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs, Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highway and Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Sri D.V. Sadananda Gowada, Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs, Sri Ramvilas Paswan, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayat Raj, Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Minister of Law and Justice, Minister of Communication and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Srimati Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Minister of Food Processing Industries, Sri Thawar Chand Gehlot, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs, Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Minister of Human Resource Development, Sri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development and Minister of Textiles, Dr. Harshavardhan, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Science and Technology and Minister of Earth Sciences, Sri Prakash Javadekar, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Sri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Railways and Minister of Commerce and Industries, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Steel, Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs, Sri Prahlad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines, Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Sri Arvind Ganapath Sawant, Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Sri Girija Singh, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti, Minister of State Independent Charge, Sri Santosh Kumar Gangawar, Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Labor and Empowerment, Rao Inderjit Singh, Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation and Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Planning, Sri Sripat Yes Naik, Minister of State Independent Charge of the Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, Ayush and Minister of State in the Ministry of Defense. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region, Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office, Minister of State in the Ministry of Personal, Public Grievance and Pensions, Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy, and Minister of State in the Department of Space. Shri Kiran Rijiju, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Culture, and Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Tourism. Shri Rajkumar Singh, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Power, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Shri Mansukh Mandavia, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Shipping, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. Minister of State. Shri Phagan Singh Kolaste, Minister of State in the Ministry of Steel. Shri Ashwini Kumar Choubey, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. General Retired V.K. Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Shri Krishna Pal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Shri Danve Rosaheb Darao, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Shri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Shri Purushottam Rupla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Shri Ramdas Athwale, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Shri Babulu Supriyo, Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Shri Sanjeev Kumar Balyan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animals Husbandry and Dairying. Shri Dhotre Sanjay Samrao, Minister of State in the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communication, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Shri Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Shri Ongadi Suresh Channavasapa, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, Shri Nityananda Rai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Shri Ratanlal Kataria, Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti and Ministry of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Shri V. Muralidharan, Ministry of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Srimati Renuka Singh Saruta, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Sri Som Prakash, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Sri Rameshwar Teli, Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Sri Pratap Chandra Sarangi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animals Husbandry and Dairying, Sri Kailash Chandra Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Sushri Devasri Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development.